Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can get the ingots for making titanium ingots, which you need to make things like the sonic resonator. Now, in previous versions of Subnautica, titanium ingots could be made at pretty much any crafting station, provided you had enough titanium already. To make it in Subnautica 2, you need to have a processor. That is this additional crafting unit right here. This one turns pretty much everything into a ingot of some kind. It also lets you make strong acid out of the nucleocysts, and you can make biofuel out of different plants to power your biofuel reactor more efficiently. To find this particular unit, you need to go to the south over there. There's a base. Well, I guess I'll show it to everybody. Let me grab a battery. And this base you can find if you go straight to the north from this angel plant that gives you the ability to digest the local fauna. And you go down into this ravine to the left of these broken down base called Camp 1. And you're going to want to find the Welcome Home base. This is formerly the main base for the colonists on this side of the map. Inside of this base right here, you will find the processor in the first room you find down over here that you can enter. You can scan it, and then you'll be able to build it. You can also jump in here to get some oxygen when you're on your way home. So once you have that scanned and you have 3 of any of the items that you want to compress together, not including the acid, which requires 2 of those cysts, or the biofuel, which requires different materials, you'll want to grab 3 titanium. You click that particular recipe, and then you can click to load the processor with the 3 materials that you need in order to craft it. Do keep in mind, for the way that bases work now, this is very power intensive, so if you're like me and you use a lot of solar panels, you should do this during the day so you don't run out of oxygen at night while you're trying to breathe. Then just like that, you have some ingots in the output slot, because there's an input slot to configure it, and then there's an output slot which you can pull them out of. So yeah, that's it. That's how you get titanium ingots in this version of Subnautica 2. I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.